Alright guys, this is my setup here. I got my Robomaster and I have my carbon fiber Swagtron, supposed to be lightweight, fast, foldable carbon fiber stand-up lightweight scooter, electric scooter. But we're gonna go ahead and see if can Robomaster follow me here in this garage, indoor and also upstairs, downstairs. We're gonna go out and see how's the active track, if the active track is any good, going uphill, going downhill. If we're gonna go out and see what's all about. And you can see here guys, is up there. So we're gonna go out and see, and we're gonna also see how this Robomaster works in low light condition. And that's the reason why I bring it in this garage. Guys, I don't really bring here my expensive drone. I never bring here my Mavic Pro 2 or my other, you know, except my Tello drone. I never even bring my Spark here or my Mavic Air. All right guys, this is my setup here. I have my phone and I can still have the access to my brake. All right, I should got my camera on. Here you go. So camera is on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the Robomaster. There you go, it's on. I'm gonna put this antenna. The reason why I'm doing that because there's a lot of Wi-Fi interference here, and you know, putting your drone under this indoor garage is very dangerous because you have Wi-Fi interference and a lot of things can happen. It can glitch up your drone or your phone, and next thing you notice, it's been crashed. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and use Robomaster. Don't need obstacle avoidance, don't need to fly away. Hopefully it doesn't run away. See, this is my setup. You can get this at the store for like $5, and you can mount in your I like using the S version. This is the iPhone SE. The reason why I use this because it's very lightweight, and I just like using it. I want to go ahead and see if this guy can take good pictures. I'm gonna listen up like that. There you go. See what this thing can do. I'm gonna turn my light on because it's dark over there. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and see. All right, you can see he's ready to follow me, and all I gotta do now is press the button. Give me a second, and there you go. All right, oh come on Robomaster, let's do this. It's following me right now. I'm going 6 miles an hour. Robomaster is going 7 miles an hour right now. Look at my speedometer. Good thing about this, it has a light. Oh, it does a little, feel that bump. And then we're gonna go ahead and see and pull the speed. All right, let's go. I'm going 10 miles an hour right now, and oh, it just lost me. It did lost me a little bit here. I think I went too fast. I went too fast. All right, now it's supposed to track me again. All you gotta do is get close to it, and then now it caught me, and then all I gotta do is back up over here, and it should catch me. And here you go, and it's catching me right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and ride. Robomaster. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. Look at this guy. Woohoo! Look at him drift. Look at, woohoo! He's drifting. He's drifting. Oh, what's up, buddy? Oh, I'm turning. It's tracking. I just like the way it rolls because, you know, instead of left and right, this goes sideways, so you feel like it's like a drone. That's what it feels like. But Robomaster's following me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit faster here. Woohoo! So I'm going 3 miles an hour. I'm hitting 4 miles, 5 miles right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go see. And we're gonna go boost it up a little bit, and then it's boosting. It did lost me. It's still catching up. It's still catching up. It's still catching up. Like I said, man, this is the first Land Rover Robomaster that actually follow you. That, you know, in the land, you know, most likely his drone will follow you. But we're gonna go ahead and see if this guy can capture me upstairs. All right. Okay. Okay, ready? I'm gonna go upstairs right now. Okay, we'll see that, the low light. But he's trying though, he's still catching up. Let's see if this thing can follow me going up. Oh man, I got low battery in this board. I'm gonna have to kick off. Yeah. But it's look, my scooter failed, but my Robomaster made it through. Okay, now I have a lot of lights. Now we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do now. So now it's a lot of light, and maybe Robomaster can follow me the right way. Let me see if the I'm gonna go ahead and come back here. See that? It just stopped right there for you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and see if this guy can follow me. And there's a lot of rocks too. So I think if you really want a smooth camera, if you really want like a really smooth camera, you really want to get like you can put a Hero 7 Black here, or you can just use the Osmo Action. And the good thing about it is it doesn't flip, so you don't have to worry about crashing your what do you call this, your Robomaster. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see now. There's a lot of bumps here too. Okay, but the idea is capturing me. Let's go ahead and go down. Let's go ahead and go downhill. And I gotta use this brake. Oh, it is going downstairs. Uh-oh. Woohoo! Oh! Whoa, that was crazy. You saw that? It lost me and just went down a dive. It's all good. He's fine. That's what he's supposed to be. And let's go ahead and fix him up. Okay, Robomaster is fine. And then we're gonna go ahead and track me again. It's tracking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. So I want this thing to track me while I'm going forward. All right, now it's tracking. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and about right there. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs with it. Let's see, come on, let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Come on, going upstairs. And then you can, if that's gonna be the case, you can actually, you know, bring this back more and then you can have it about that much, and then you can just go ahead. Well, anyway, my thinking I move upstairs, but it can actually, you know, follow you up there, so it's a good thing. And then all I'm doing right now is reversing, and it's following me. Okay, lost me again. All right. Okay, so we figured out there's no brakes on this. So when you're doing this, you gotta make sure, just in case if you're doing it, you gotta make sure that you can cut it, because like you guys see here earlier, it crashes on the side. So anyway, but it's not a bad thing, it's fixable. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and reverse. See, it doesn't have a brake, they all stay. It's just gonna roll down. So when this happens, you know, you want to make sure. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do this way. You gotta make sure if the track is tracking right, because if it's not, then it's gonna hit the bump. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. I'm gonna have it right here. Okay, I have it right there. See, if that happened, you can stop it, or you can just make sure there's a clip right there, and then you can just go back this way and then come back, and then now the track is on, and then now the track is on. Now we'll go back up. So like I said, it's still brand new. I have a feeling it's gonna be better pretty soon, but I already showed you guys what's the drove side of this, and it's trying, but it's unique. And it's still trying. And here you go. And then all I gotta do is turn it off, and see, sliding. So basically, and then now you can just go back it up a little bit, and then you can go this way, and now you can still able to track me with the, even though with the light on, I think. And it's moving, and it should be captured me. And that's about it. And I'm gonna go this way. And it's moving. And I'm gonna go turn. All right, now it's tracking. Now it's tracking. You see that? What I'm gonna do is, and then I'm just gonna go really slow. But it's not like, it's not crashing you. That's a good thing. All right. Yo! So I'm basically skipping. See what I'm doing? So I can get uphill. Yeah! Oh, it lost me. You see that? So you better be ready to catch it. Oh, just in case. See that, guys? And there you go. And then if that happened, all you gotta do is go this way. All you gotta do is that happen. I mean, it can go uphill without no problem. All right, and then you got to make sure, just in case. And here you go. And then now it tracks me. And then now when it tracks me, it's not gonna fall anymore. And then I'm just gonna go forward. And there you go. And you can go quick. I think I have in a slow mode too. Yeah, I think I had in a slow mode. But anyway, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'm just sharing you guys what this Robomaster weakness are. And I think I found it. And then now it's just chasing me down.